Ho, ho, ho. Michael Sheen here. How are you? Coming to you live from the set, from my cell, in fact, in New York.
Hi there, my name's Di Botcher and I'd like to wish everybody in the Neath Port Talbot area a very Merry Christmas.
Hello, I'm Rob Bryden. I just wanted to send a very Merry Christmas message to everybody in Neath Port Talbot, particularly the NHS care and key workers who've been doing an amazing job in a very, very difficult time.
And I want to wish everybody at home in Neath Port Talbot a very happy, warm, merry, safe Christmas.
I'd like to say a special thank you and a very, very Merry Christmas to all our wonderful NHS workers, care workers and key workers.
And a very special thank you to all our local NHS staff, our care workers and our key workers for keeping us safe and for all their extraordinary work over the last year or so. Here's to a much better, happier 2021. Nadolig, Llawen, a blwyddyn newydd dda. Lots of love.
Have as great a Christmas as it's possible to have. Nadolig, Llawen.
And I hope everybody's Christmas wishes come true. Merry Christmas! Yay!
Ta-da! Ho, 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 ho.